Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the Vidiq browser extension and signing in with your YouTube account. Once done, grant channel and analytics access so Vidiq can read performance data. Make sure the Vidiq badge appears in YouTube Studio and on individual video pages. Now click the Vidiq icon to open the dashboard. This gives immediate metrics and keyword tools so you can begin optimizing without delay. These steps are essential because they unlock all the tools you'll use next. You now dive into keyword research with Vidiq's Keyword Inspector to find search volume and competition at a glance. Once you identify 1 to 2 target keywords, apply the suggested tags and copy the highest value tags into your video. Make title adjustments using Vidiq's headline suggestions to boost relevance, and review the SEO score to see where you lack optimization. Also inspect competitor videos' tags and watch time signals so you can match intent and finish by applying optimized title, a keyword-rich description, selected tags, and relevant cards or end screens. These directly influence discovery. Use Vidiq's thumbnail /B test to pick the best visual, schedule your publish time based on viewership peaks, and enable alerts for trending or channel changes. If Vidiq panels or suggestions fail to load, clear your browser cache, disable conflicting extensions, or reinstall Vidiq. If problems persist, reauthorize your YouTube connection. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.